Alright, if you want to start earning money with Amazon Flex in Canada, here's exactly how you can set it up and start delivering. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Now, let's jump straight into it. First, just head over to Google and type in Amazon Flex Canada, or go straight to flex.amazon.ca, and once you're on the site, you can tap the three lines on the top corner, hit how it works, then select Getting Started. This will give you a quick overview of what you're signing up for. Now, go ahead and download the Amazon Flex app. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play, depending on your device. And then, you want to sign up and verify your account by opening the app and follow the prompts to create your account. You will need to verify some info, but once that's done, you're officially a driver. Inside the app, you can now reserve a delivery block. This means you choose when and where you want to deliver. During your reserved time, you can make deliveries, and once you're done, you get paid for every completed block. You're all set to make extra cash. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.